Hello friends, how are you all? I hope everyone is doing very well. So friends, today we have come with our new content. Today's content is about how to add extensions in Chrome Android. Okay, so for that we will need a browser. It's called the Kiwi browser. Okay, you won't find that browser on the Play Store until the year 2025. So what do you need to do? Simply go to Google. Once on Google, search for Kiwi browser here. After that, the first link. Go there and download the Kiwi browser from here. You will find the free download option. Download it for free from here. With downloaded here. Those of you who haven't downloaded it yet, do download it. After that, you simply have to open your Cubic browser. After opening, you'll see the three dots on the side. You need to click on these three dots. Then when you scroll down a bit, you'll see an option called extension. You need to click on this extension. After clicking, a page like this will appear in front of you. Here you will find an option with three lines. You need to click on these three lines. After clicking, you will see an option at the very bottom. Open Chrome Web Store. You need to click on it. After that, an interface like this will appear before you. Alright, so what do you need to do simply? You need to click on the three dots. After clicking, when you come down, you will find an option called desktop size. You need to click on this desktop size. After clicking, an interface like this will appear in front of you. Okay. After it appears, you will see an option on the top side called search. Okay. In this search bar, you have to write the name of the extension you need from the sector. Okay. Various types of extensions will appear in front of you. Like here, suppose I am searching for an extension. You need to go to the extension. Then, what you need to do is, you won't find the add to Chrome option here. So what should you do here? Since you can't download the extension, you simply click again and go to the three dots. After going to the three dots, you need to turn off the desktop size. After turning off, you have to go back to it again, then save the dictionary again. After doing that, here again, go to the search bar and search for that VPN or extension. After searching for it this time, so you see it stops from the desktop. After turning it off, you won't see that page again. Okay, now simply on the desktop you will find an option. Alright, what do you have to do? You will see that here others writings will be small, so everyone will have a lot of trouble. So you won't take over the desktop size. I am zooming in to show you. Here, look, you will find the option for access to the desktop. You need to click on the desktop a little. After clicking, see it's downloading. You need to check whether the extension is attached to your desktop. So, like this, you have to turn the desktop size on and off twice, and you have to reload the page this way in the year 2025. So friends, if you liked our video, so give a like, subscribe and share the channel. That's it for now. See you in the next video.